Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox this Kodak Charmera Keychain digital camera and share our first impressions. So let's check it out. This is a fully functional keychain digital camera from Kodak, but it is more of a fun toy camera than a serious one. The image quality is very average, but it has the potential to bring back a lot of nostalgic memories. We will share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. This is like a blind box. So we don't know which design we will get. Just because we have the yellow color model in the box doesn't mean we will get this color. This will be random, so it is honestly exciting. I personally want the yellow color one, but all the designs look nice. Even the transparent one, all of them look really nice. This is inspired by the old Kodak film camera. We have 7 styles in total. We can see them here. These are the 7 styles. They also recently announced new Y2K inspired designs. I'll share a photo of that. We get 7 photo filters, 4 photo frames, so it will be helpful. This is our first impressions video. We will share our full thoughts after a few weeks. Please do subscribe to get notified about this. So let's unbox this now. We can do this at the top. Time to see which color we are going to get. Okay. This is red color. Nice. Red is cool. This is the camera. So these are the items we got inside the box. This Kodak Charmera camera, and inside this we have USB A to USB-C cable and this keychain accessory, and we also have this quick start guide. Good. And this paper with Charmera information, just basic stuff. So we got the red color retro design. It looks nice actually in person, and the secret edition is this transparent one. So anyway, these are the items we have inside the box. There is no SD card, so we have to use our existing card or get a new one. I'll share some recommended links in the description. This is the USB cable length, and this is the keychain thing. So we can connect it like this, and we can use it as a keychain. So I am charging this camera now. I'll use it for some time and get back to you. We can't take any photos right away because we don't have any micro SD card inside the camera. Thankfully, I have this Nokia 3210 feature phone, and I took the micro SD card from that. So we have to keep our camera like this, and this is the micro SD slot. We have to keep our SD card like this, and we can insert it. So we have to push this deep inside till we hear a click sound. If you don't have proper nails, then it might be a bit difficult. Just push it. Okay, that's all. Similarly, if we want to take out the SD card, we have to press it again, and it will come out like this. We can take it out. For this red color model, we have this huge Kodak name and Kodak Charmera name. This is the lens, this is the viewfinder, this is the flash. At the back, we have a small screen, same viewfinder, this arrow buttons for moving, and this is photo play button, I think. And at the top, we have the select button, this LED light for charging or battery indication. This is the power and menu button. And at the bottom, we have the slot to enter our micro SD card. This R pinhole, I think, for resetting. And this is the USB Type-C port for charging. So let's power on the camera now. Okay, we can go to the camera directly now. So this is the camera. You can see my hand. It's a very small camera, more like a toy camera. So I'll keep my watch here. I'll try to take a photo of this. think I have to press this button. Okay, that's all. We can see the photo here, but I'm not sure if my phone can show that. But this is the photo taken by this camera. It won't take up much space in your backpack while traveling, but it might just fill your heart with wonderful memories along the way. So this is a cute little keychain digital camera. So yeah, this is our unboxing and first impressions of Kodak Charmera keychain digital camera. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.